Hello, welcome to hosted.com. So in this video I will guide you how can you set up the email client on your mobile. For example, if you have created an email in a cPanel and you want also to get the notification on your mobile, and also you can use all the emails from your mobile phone, so you need to just go to the Play Store and then search the email and search, and then you can see here is a very good uh, basically application, email fast and secure mail. So you need to install this one. I have already installed this, so that's why it shows like that. And if you don't install, then you can hear the option like to install this app. When you install this app, then you need to open this app. This is the email app. Okay, so I have already configured, so that's why it shows me all the emails. So you need to click on this hamburger icon on the left hand side and click on add account, and here you can select, and here you need to select others, and now you need to click advanced setting, and now you can enter these details. So where you get this email all the details, so these all details you need to you have already get in your email. So when you create an email in a cPanel, so the first email you can receive in an inbox, these all the information: email, host name, username. I can show you. So these are the information. Yeah, so this is the information. So when you create this email, for example, I have created the email tech@hosted.com. So if you don't know how you can create an email, you can click on I button, then you can know how to create an email account. And in this also video I have also tell you, when you create an email account, this email is automatically you can get in the inbox. So this email have all the information. It's a blur image, so that's why you can't see proper, but it's a username. Username is same as your email account. So I have created the email account tech@hosted.com, and the password is the same. When you create an email account, you can enter the password. So when you enter the password, so that is the same password you need to use here. And the incoming server is the mail.hosted.com. The port number is also set the 993, and the outgoing service email.hosted.com, and the port number 465. These all the information are here. So now you need to open this one, and the email is the same email which you have created, just like I have created tech. If I will show you, tech tech at the rate of hosthost.com, and then the host name which I say mail.hosted.com. If you can see, so this is incoming mail.hosted.com. so this is the same. So mail.hostoe.com, and then username is the same. This I have copied this one and paste it here, and this is the password which I have already set. When I have created the same for the simplicity. Port is 993 also set. You need, okay, this is the host name. So host name is the same, so you need to copy this one and paste it here. And username optional, and but okay, you can copy this one. Username is the same, and the password also same, so we can enter here password. So I have created the password, and the port number also same, and then you need to click on login. Okay, so now it's, yeah, so now it's added. You can go to techhosted.com, and then you can see this is the email basically which I have shown you. So this is the first email which I have get. So this is all you need to get on mobile. And on the desktop which you have to set, you can see my another video which I have already guided you how can you set up this email client on desktop. Okay, thank you.